Well, hello again. Welcome to my channel, Tasty Tutorials. This time I'm going to show you how to make this quick and excellent taste on quick creamy spinach. And one crucial information is the spinach is full of iron, so most of the women, as we all know, suffer from iron deficiency, and some men. So this meal is full of iron. So let's go learn how to make it. For the ingredients, we need just a few of them. So oil, milk, flour, garlic, and spinach. I use this time the frozen spinach, but the wholly frozen. You can use fresh one, but as you all know, it's not available always, so this is a good substitute for that, and that will be it. And of course we need salt and stuff like that, but I will tell you that in a minute. So let's go. So we are going to need a 3-liter pot of this creamy spinach. I'm just going to put the flour first, like 4.5 full tablespoons of flour. 4.5 to 5, like it depends how thick you want it to be. Now I'm just going to put some oil in, a little bit at a time. You're adding oil until you get the consistency that you want. I will show you how that looks like. This is the consistency that I want. And let this cook for about 2 minutes, and then I will tell you what to do next, as always. Yo, wait, I forgot about the garlic. So when we make the right consistency, you need to add the garlic in. So I'm using this machinery here. Instead of like slicing it with like a knife and stuff like that, you can just save your time with this. Like, you need energy for this, strength, and this is it. That's it. Now we stir it and then turn the heat up to maximum, and then we fry it for, as I said, about 2 minutes. And now I'm going to add the spinach in and then stir it. As for the spinach, I forgot to mention, just leave it out of the freezer for about an hour so it will get like half frozen. Keep that in mind, it's easier to cook it and stuff like that. So let's go do the other stuff that we need. It's a little bit difficult because it's frozen spinach. Like, it's difficult to like combine it together. Just do as best as you can. Add a little bit of milk at a time and then stir it, and then add more milk and then stir it until you like use all the milk that you have, which is 1 liter. Cook it on high heat until it boils. When it boils, turn the heat up, like down. Turn the heat down to like a lower heat, and then just cook it for about 3 minutes. I said you can use salt, of course. I'm using this instead of salt. It's dried like vegetables and salt in it. It's not the healthiest stuff in the world, but I come from a country that this is used all the time. You can skip this if you're not used to that. Just add salt. If you want to like buy this, it's called Vegeta. Find it in your markets or online. Put salt or Vegeta in and stir it the whole time. And I will see you when this is finished. Actually, it took me a little bit longer since the spinach wasn't that thick as I would like. So I used 1 glass and I put half a tablespoon of flour in, and then I put some spinach like from the pot inside, and then like mix it with a fork, and then just put it in, and that's the thickness that you should be getting. So this is done, and we are going to just plate it and try it, of course. Okay, so for the sake of the video, I'm going to try the creamy spinach, even though I already know how it tastes like because I made it like hundreds of times through the years. So let's go. It's really good, creamy, salted as I would like, and it's really healthy. I hope you make this, and of course, hopefully, we see each other in the next video. Bye!